like a unicorn. And today I have all these squishies. And you probably saw my video where I showed you all of my squishies. But now I have a new squishy. And it's going to be at the very end. So watch this whole video. And you'll get to see my new squishy. My first squishy. So I'm going in order where I got my squishies. Like what's my first squishy that I got, what's my second, like that. Okay? So my first squishy that I got was this ice cream squishy. I love ice cream squishies. I only have one of them. I only have one of ice cream squishies, but I hope to get more. So here it is. Oh my gosh. So squishy. It has my finger marks on it. Finger marks. Okay, so the squishy is this cake squishy. It used to have like the sprinkles on it, but they were falling off, so I just decided to tear them off. And it's super soft. I love this squishy. It's so soft. And it's rainbow. And my next squishy, I believe, was this one. This cupcake one. You see it's pink. And then you see it's purple. And it has this little chocolate. Okay, that is super squishy. And it's really slow rising. See, it's like, take your time, squish it. Take your time. Come on, squishy. Hello. Okay. That was my mommy spying on me, taking a video. Like, what? Okay, so my next squishy was this cake squishy. It's not that squishy, but it's slow rising. So yeah. Now my next squishy. This squishy, but my baby brother tore that little leaf up there. It used to like stick up and stuff. It was really cute. But now it's gone. So. Okay. So now this squishy is really dense. Like really dense. It's like those Shopkins squishies that you get at like Walmart or something. It's really dense. But it's really cute, so. And then this one is my like cutest squishy, I think. It's a unicorn squishy. I love this one. It's super squishy. Not that slow rising, but super cute, so I love it. Now, what y'all have all been waiting for this whole entire video, literally, is my new squishy. It says Pop on it. Da, 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 da. So it says Pop. It says Pop. And y'all cannot believe how soft and squishy it is. You know, it's just a can of Pop Rocks, but it's so squishy and so slow rising. I love it. So here's all my squishies flying everywhere. Oh, flying everywhere. One just fell on my head. Okay. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Click that like button and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos. And please subscribe. I only have like, wait, I'm so surprised. What? I'm so surprised. I used to just have 1 subscriber. Guess what? I have 2. So give a round of applause. And whoever is my number 2 subscriber, thank you. Thank you for subscribing. Now, can I give you 5 seconds to subscribe again? Well, like, my person. You know what I mean. 5 seconds to subscribe. 5, 4, 3, a 2, a 1. Oh, you better subscribe. You better. Please subscribe, guys. Please. So, I hope you liked this video. Bye.